Hey everyone, I have really been interested in AI and machine learning lately. Honestly, I am still learning myself. I thought it would be cool to share a roadmap I have been researching, kind of like a guide for me while I am studying AI and machine learning, and hopefully it will help you, most of the people, if you are just starting out. In this video, we are going to talk about steps from step 1 being a right mindset to step 4 doing projects and taking internships. Before we jump into the technical stuffs, I realized one thing, that this journey is not just about the memorizing topics, memorizing concepts, and learning mathematics. It's more about thinking like an engineer, breaking down problems into simpler form, solving them step by step, and not afraid to experiment with things. So, if you are learning with me, keep that mindset in your mind. So, after making the right mindset, we first dive into the first skill we need, that is Python, because it is friendly language and mostly used for AI and machine learning kind of things. My plan is to start with basics and then build some small projects like automation scripts, maybe something like web scraping, and then moving into its libraries, which are very essential for the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. They are like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib for working with data. AI is all about data, so I'm going to spend most of the time learning SQL for databases and practice data cleaning techniques and data visualization techniques. And currently, I have learned Power BI tool, which is mostly used for data visualization. So this basically means learning how to take messy data, organize it, and make sense of it through charts, graphs, and other kind of graphics. Once I start feeling comfortable with coding and working with data, the next step is machine learning basis. Stuff like regression, classification, clustering. I will use scikit-learn to build simple models and just understand how this algorithm works under the hood. Now comes the interesting part which fascinates me too. After this, I want to get deep into deep learning with PyTorch and TensorFlow. This is where neural network, computer vision, and natural language processing come into the play. Basically, the kind of AI that powers chatbots, image generation, video generation kind of thing. Building a model is one thing, but making it usable is another. So I learned how to deploy models using Flask and Django for web apps, and the tools like Docker to package everything so it can run anywhere in the world. At the end of the day, the best way to learn is to build. So along the way, I'll make small AI apps, maybe like chatbots, a recommendation system, or simple automation tools. The goal is not just to be a perfect; it's getting better with each step we are taking from step 0 to step 6. So if I stick around 3 to 4 hours per day, this roadmap would take around like 12 to 18 months to feel me like I'm job ready. But again, I'm not an expert. I'm learning alone with you. So to make things easier, I have put a PDF version in description below. You can check it out. And to be the part of my journey and to be a AI ML engineer in the future, please consider subscribing below and like if you like my roadmap, and thank you for being the part of the family.